The 1200-watt RGB Underseat Subwoofer delivers impressive bass performance, enhancing the depth and clarity of your music for a more immersive listening experience. With its beat-synced RGB lighting, this subwoofer adds a dynamic visual element to your car's interior, making every journey more exciting and vibrant. Constructed from cast aluminum, this subwoofer boasts excellent cooling capabilities and provides a robust build that ensures effective sound transmission and resonance. Measuring just over 13 inches in length, this super slim subwoofer can easily fit under your car seat or in the trunk, offering versatile installation options. The subwoofer comes equipped with customizable controls, allowing you to adjust the low-pass filter, bass boost, and gain input to tailor the audio output to your liking. Designed for a variety of vehicles, this subwoofer is easy to install and includes a comprehensive manual and customer support for any assistance you may need.